be joining us for this food.
So tell me you are at Lolo's place without telling me you are at Lolo's place.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. As you guys know, monsoon is here and it's very difficult to go out, make a video or travel. Contents are like next to impossible because of the incessant rain these days. So I am finally getting back to my garden and we are cooking some healthy veg produce from our garden. So this year we decided to grow some summer veggies. We are getting a bountiful harvest throughout the season, and I've been sharing some of the videos on my Instagram, and I know I'm getting a house arrest soon for sharing all my veggies, but today I also wanted to share some of the recipes that you can make out of your own homegrown veggies. So really excited to share. I also want to share some of the health benefits of intaking green veggies and vegetables from our own homegrown garden. On that note, before heading out to our small garden, I'm gonna do a little bit of my skincare. So I have just washed my face using this Cureskin. It's very gentle on the skin and you can use it daily. It exfoliates and cleanses and also refreshes your skin. Mahan healthy diet can be, it's very important, but it is also important to take care of your skin. So this is the reason why I incorporate Cureskin on my daily routine, and this is the soothing hydra gel. I've not applied anything. I make sure to apply this hydra gel before applying my sunscreen. So we think that for the cream we ignore our sunscreen and moisturizer, especially when we are at home, but it's very important. Like if you really want a healthy glowing skin, make sure you're incorporating your skincare even when you're at home or just doing home chores. So I always make sure to apply this one, and then I also make sure to apply my sunscreen. So this Cureskin sunscreen have been my savior all this time. There are a lot of sunscreen out in the market, but what sets it apart from other sunscreen is that this is specifically curated for your skin type. Mohan sabhi skin alag thaike. So sometimes mohan ki kure gule to mohan recommend kura ito an sai nai ni kushi natural skin la type na janina, we just place your order and it might not suit you. But with Cureskin, I've been using it for almost 2 years. This is specifically for those people apni natural skin type haba na jani no apni la skin history kan na jani ne kushi order kure, which can even lead to many other various skin issues. So it is very important you get a proper dermatologist and also know your skin type. I have also introduced it earlier, but Cureskin is something that has it all. It's all in one asset. So I trust Cureskin a lot because the kit that is sent is customized by an expert dermatologist using AI technology. So yeah, the AI technology, what they do is that they will scan your face and they will detect the area that needs treatment, or they will target the area. For example, you're having acne, pimples, whatever that is in your face, AI technology will scan there. They are customized, so it makes it really easier. Instead of getting any other random products, with proper consultation, it helps you with getting the right products for yourself. Aro apni lai do Cureskin get within 5 to 6 days they any buy jai, and then it will last you for at least 2 to 3 months. For me though, I use it at least for 3 months, which is very bucket friendly. So it's very easy. Apni handi download kurina try kurisabi. It's like a complete package including your skin analysis, doctor consultation, this treatment checkup, available just for 1,500. So apni handi you can also give it a try. Like apart from that, that mohanla diet plans can so be that I also make sure I take my right water intake. It won't be so me moi the suggestion is up there. Right water intake can be mula diet plans will be I carefully it can be follow through. So that's how you can achieve a good glowing skin. So if you guys are interested, you can also use my code LOLO100 to get additional 100 rupees off. You can download the Cureskin app for healthier skin. I will leave down the link in the description and also in the comment section. So yes, you can do that.
The first item we have is this rosella leaves, which is rich in antioxidant and help in reducing blood pressure, cholesterol, and boost liver health. This next is Malabar spinach. This is high in vitamin A and C, iron and calcium. It supports eye health, immunity and strong bones. This is one of the newest that we introduced last year. This is Malabar spinach and it has much more benefits than that of the regular spinach that we get. So I have never tried this before. We're going to try it in our veg stew. This can also be eatable, especially the tender ones can be added in a salad. So I'm gonna try it in salad. The next one is the winged beans. We don't have the fruit yet, but it's packed with protein, vitamins and minerals. I bought the seeds from Mini Urban Garden from Instagram. You can add this in salad and also in the promote muscle growth, bone health and digestive health as well. Malabar spinach. These are the winged beans. They call it. This one is putena mint leaves and it aids in digestion, relieves nausea and also has anti-inflammatory properties. Tulsi is also known for anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, helps in reducing stress and boosting immunity. The next one I'm collecting is one of my favorite, that is beans. This is rich in fiber, protein and essential nutrients and they support heart health, regulate blood sugar and also aids in digestion. I want to also give you all a small garden tour. This is our new corn. This is pink color, purple color corn. And the funny thing is the maize which I transplanted are giving a very healthy, as you can see. So some we will keep them for the next season. I'm gonna give the seeds. This one, wow, can't wait for them to harvest. And also our sadly cucumber didn't survive because of the incessant rain, and we are still harvesting our beans, so I'm really happy with that. Even these tomatoes didn't survive because of the rain. I just get to harvest a few of them. And here are some of the corianders which I sowed them. So earlier I planted some carrots, but I think it's off season so it didn't give me well, so I transplanted some few lettuces and also corianders. This is the one and only brinjal that is giving us, but I just want to harvest it. Now this eggplant consists of antioxidant, vitamins and fiber, and it promotes heart health, weight management and also brain function. The next one I have is beetroot, which is high in nitrate and antioxidants. It improves blood flow, lower blood pressure and also enhances exercise performance. Nice. Look at our beetroot. This is my third harvest. Look at the variety. This is amaranth. The next one I have is amaranda leaves, which is rich in vitamin A, C and K. It has also calcium and iron. They support bone health, immune function and skin health as well.
Like a wild forest. So today it's about to rain. We also have
Now I have this turkey berry, which is also known for its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. It helps in treating anemia, diabetes and digestive issues.
I can see some squash over there. So let me jump in. Oh my god.
The next one I have is squash, also known as keode. It is low in calories but rich in vitamin A and C, fiber and antioxidants.
The weather is unpredictable. It's about to rain, but I'm gonna collect.
It supports eye health, digestion and immune function. pumpkin and squash together because they're both climbers. I'm expecting some fruit, but still not yet. Let's collect some. We'll collect some few more beans for today. We have some more durgi berry here, so I'm gonna make one item out of this durgi berry as well. These are the chilies.
I'm also collecting taro leaves, which is rich in nutrients, digestive health, health heart, and also it has antioxidant properties.
These are king chili saplings. So I'm gonna grow them. It's very expensive in the market.
So these are some of the vegetables and herbs that we collected, and it offers a variety of health benefits, making them valuable additions to a balanced diet. So today let's prepare some veg stew out of this.
I have this taro. So we're gonna make veg stew out. Ta-da! It's already cleaned, and I also have this local tomato which I got it from the market. I washed it already and I've kept it here. It's sweet now. Unlike the one that we used to get in the market, this is much better. To get this side, little turkey berry. These are some fresh chilies, local chilies. Cooking only with basmati water and milk.
So this is our next item that we're cooking.
In the meantime, my sister have prepared some snacks.
I'm also adding these rosemary leaves after cooking for some time because the taro takes some time to cook.
Very tasty. And this
Amaranth spinach.
one also very tasty. Wow.
Sweet nut. We finally have the screens and I'm adding it. And these are like for seasoned flavor. Ginger pata and the basil pata.
one only, so I'm gonna make it spicy.
So first we have salad here, then the eggplant chutney with king chili. It was not spicy, so we added king chili as well. And this is durki berry with temperature water and marja, local mirchi. This is vegetable stew. A lot of veggies which you have already seen. This is our rice. This is garlic beans, but we also added spinach as well. We have fried it here. And these are all greens. And this is going to be our veggie dinner for the day. We have a special guest here who will be joining us for this food. Special guest.
Yes.
Arya and Claire. Ooh, we have a special guest here. All veg, okay, veg.
Yeah.
Vegetarian food.
Ayun, ito ba siya patsong puso?
I'm tired of pork right now.
Yeah, even
We were just having a lot of
instead of meat, fish, whatever. Enjoy. Chinakriya!
chinakriya.
Because of gastric, but I'll eat. I'm looking for a boyfriend. Bias. So, have you seen my boyfriend? My boyfriend?
This is your boyfriend.
My boyfriend.
This is special edition.
So, tell me you are at Lolo's place without telling me you are at Lolo's place. This is this is it.
Elegant,
She's
just
so
looking
mine.
like a wow.
She saw my plate today. This morning I was eating from that
Sorry.
plate. No, you're. That's sticky.
This is really good when you steam and half fry and eat it. This one. Ay, amarantas. Sob jaka de wala sa ito.
Yeah, good idea. It's on you.
More than pepper, na? I think the chutney is super tasty, na? Because of the mountain pepper.
I love it so much.
Perfect combination.
She got me yesterday, but I didn't make it.
Mm.